it's Brandy Giz and I'm back on your screen, and today I have a fun video for you guys. I was contacted by my friends at Newair. They were kind enough to send me out a new product to share with you all. I worked with them in the past and I will share with you all some of the items that I've shown in the video review. So I'm gonna list one right here, and maybe like one right here, just to share with you all some of the items that I feature on my channel, and I also share with you all on Instagram. So let me tell y'all, they contacted me again. They wanted me to review a product and I was like, hey, why not? So I'm going to tell you what they sent me. They sent me a 60 can freestanding beverage fridge. It's compact. It's a 1.6 cubic feet design, and I'm going to show you everything. I'm going to give you all the specifications, share with you all how it looks, and just how compact it is. So without further ado, let me show y'all what they sent me. Okay, my love, so hopefully you can see it. It came in a box like this. I am about to take it out, but I just want to share it with you all. Okay, my loves, it came in a box like so, and now I'm going to unbox it for you guys. Okay, love, so this is the unit. It's by Newair. I sat it on a table. It won't be there for long, but I just wanted to sit it there just to share with you all. And I'm about to take the tape off that comes with it. And this is the design. Now you pull that open, and it looks like so. You have your owner's manual, and I'm going to sanitize it. It comes with this. Let me show you. I can take that off, and it'll look. I'll take that off, and it'll look something like that. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna fill it up. All right, my love. So this is the unit. It fits 60 cans. Now I didn't fill it up with 60 cans, but it can hold or house 60 cans. And I put it on top of the one that we currently have, which is from Newair as well. Now this one houses wine bottles and water bottles. Now this has been holding up. Now this chills the wine. It's at 43 degrees Fahrenheit. I love it because of the on and off switch. You have a light switch. You can control the temperatures, and you can either do it on Celsius or Fahrenheit. Right now we're housing the water, but it has yes, so right now we're housing the water, as you can see, and it is by the brand Newair. And this one also, we have our water and our cans of soda, and I'll show you inside the bevel glass. And this is a look of it inside. So you guys, I hope you all liked it. Again, this is from Newair, and I'm going to give you the specifications on this here product. This is from Newair. It's a beverage refrigerator which fits 60 cans at 1.6 cubic feet. And again, this is a mini refrigerator. You can put it in your office, you can put it in your kitchen, wherever you want to chill some beverages. You can even put it in your bedroom. And let's see, it's compact, like I said, it's mini. And like I said, it works anywhere you need convenience of cold foods or drinks. You don't just have to necessarily house cold drinks. You can house cold food. You can also, if you have medicine and you want it near where you are sleeping, in an area where you're sleeping, you can use it for that. Like I said, your home, your office. It's a freestanding, ready to use, out of the box. The removable. You also have removable shelves that let you create customized storage for height, for different sizes of the bottles. And again, let me give you the specifications. It is a 60 can beverage cooler. I'm going to put the model right here, and the product weight is 37.20 pounds. The product that I have is black with stainless steel. It's compact cold storage for storing canned beverages in homes, bars, recreational rooms, your dorms, your basement, if your husband has a man cave and you want to bless him with a real nice refrigerator so that he won't have to either go upstairs or downstairs, wherever the case may be. He can have his little refrigerator. If you all have a bar in like your basement or area where you entertain, you might want to pick up something like this. It's really something that I would suggest that you would get. And since we had the first one, we fell in love with it. At first we were like, we might not need it, but we see that we are putting it to use. The finish, like I said, is stainless steel. It's not digital. The doors are stainless steel as well. The construction is metal. Like I said, you have removable racks. There's no locking on the doors. The temperature is 37 degree to 64 degree Fahrenheit, and you only get one rack, and this is like the bomb, you guys. So let me know what you think about it in the comment section. Give me a thumbs up on this here video, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, you guys, I hope you enjoyed it, and I want to thank my friends over at Newair for sending me this here product to review for you guys, so that you can go on their website and check it out. They have so many products to choose from, and again, I will show you the products that they sent me. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, you guys have a blessed one. Bye, y'all. Love y'all.